So I just wanted to show you like a little video of each of the sections on iXL. So if you're having trouble with T2, pretty much all this is asking you to do is to get y by itself. So some of these you could do in your head. Here you just have to subtract 12x on both sides. So you would write y is, and you can use these symbols, less than or equal to, you're subtracting 12x, so negative 12x minus 12, and then just click submit. The only thing to remember for this is like if you have a negative y at any point, you're going to have to flip your direction of your sign. So let's go back and check out T3, which was graphing a two-variable linear inequality. So basically it's just like graphing a line. So this one, when it's x, it's just a vertical line. I'll do 2 for you on this one. So you're going to have a vertical line at negative 2. So you can just put your 2 points anywhere. And then see how it has the line underneath it? That means this line should all be solid. It looks like it is. So we're good there. Saying we did not complete. So let's check it out. Oh, we forgot to shade. Oops. Alright, so x is greater than or equal to negative 2. So greater than or equal to would mean shade to the right. So you should be able to just select over here for your shading. And then once it's shaded like that, you can click submit. This one would be a horizontal line. Of course, they're not giving us any in slope-intercept form, so we need to draw our horizontal line at negative 5. It should be a dashed line, so let's see if we can get it to be dashed. See, so if you double click on it, then it will turn to dashes. If you click on it again, it will turn to solid, but we want dashed here, and we want less than or equal to, so shade below. And finally, we get a slope-intercept form. So see how there's no plus anything? That means you're starting at 0, 0. Or if it was like plus 3, you would start at 0, 3. And then you're up 5 and right 1 for your slope. So we're going up 5, right 1. That will draw your line. And it's already solid, so we're good. If you needed it dashed, you would click it again. But we want solid and we want less than. So if you were to take a point and imagine drawing the line straight down from there, it would be somewhere in this area. And then T6 will be very similar. It's just that you're graphing 2 of these on the same plane. So I'm going to go back, and here's T6. Oh, of course, they don't give us slope-intercept form ones, but well, maybe we'll do 2. So x is less than 5, so we're going to have a vertical line at 5, and we want this one dashed. So when you put 2 points, you have to click the line again. That will make it dashed. And less than 5 is going to be somewhere over here. So we're already only thinking about shading over here. And then y is greater than or equal to 2. Let's put a solid line. I think we have to click the other one. Yep. Click the other one, draw your solid line at 2. And we want greater than or equal to that. So we want less than the green line above the blue line. Shaded area would be up there. So now we have to click shade. Shade, submit. And this is another one like that. Let me just, alright, we'll do this one really fast and then see if they give us a, we don't want that point anymore, we want y, negative 3, dashed line, click it again. And x is less than or equal to 6. So this one can be a solid line. So we want less than and less than. Shading would be down here. I don't know why it's saying that's wrong. Oh, it was negative 6. Oopsie, I was trying to do it too fast so we could get to the next problem. But see, they show you all the steps if you did have it wrong. But basically, if these were slope-intercept form, you would just pretty much do the same thing. But let's see if the next one will be slope-intercept form. So we want less than 6, make it dashed. So it's going to be lower than this, but then greater than or equal to negative 10. Now you do have to remember to click the other function. So switch over from green to blue, or else it's going to move your points from the first line. And then your shading would be in between them, because it's less than the green and greater than the blue. Alright, maybe they're going to give you a bunch of these. I'm not sure, but I can't keep doing all of these. But if it's a slope-intercept form one, you're just going to start on the y-intercept and then count your slope, do the same thing, graph the line, make sure you go and switch your function. And remember to make the line dashed if it doesn't have the line below it, and then you can do your shading from there. Hopefully this helps. Have a good week.